So I'm stuck at home, all alone on my phone. I'm go outside, I'm gonna be gone. I'ma play basketball, I'm hoping to fall. I'm back in my room, my dog's in the room, and my mom's watching me, my family's here. We stay safe and say our grace and stay in our place.
And stay in our place. Cover your mouth and your face. I have faith this will pass. Stay 6 feet away. And the Rona will end. 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 Hey, we gotta pray. We gotta pray that the Rona will end. We gotta make it today. We gotta pray. We gotta pray that the Rona will end. We gotta make it today. Hey, stay in your place. Wash your face and your hands every 20 seconds. You need soap for them hands. Don't be touching on the surfaces. You could get the corona. We don't want to pass germs, so we wash our hands. And we gotta stay safe. And we in this place. We are here together, making this a race. We gotta fight those germs. And you wash your face. Make sure your family is safe, okay? Hey, we gotta pray that we can make it. We gotta make it today. Hey, we gotta pray that the Rona will end. We gotta that the Rona will end.
Wash your hands 20 seconds. We don't want to pass germs. We want to stay safe and make our future better.